Laban Bengalee Boys High Secondary School Shillong but St Mary's High Secondary School Shillong kilayo ekakardan first 10 positions haka higher secondary school leaving certificate examinations haka science but commerce streams. Yaka result lapan benada ke Meghalaya Board of School Education haka pratarik jamang. Usohan Bhattacharjee ka Laban Bengalee Boys High Secondary School Shillong ulawan ng kong haka HSSLC Science da ka bayo South Spa Prapolai Marks kat ba ka Ferry Filarisha 1 na St. Mary's High Secondary School Shillong kalawan ng kong haka HSSLC Commerce da ka bayo South Spa Hanyaw po R Marks. Kekerdan kabaar layo da Gordon Kupar Nongbri ka St. Edmunds High Secondary School Shillong but balai da UR Maker Marpna jong ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong. Kekerdan baar ha ka commerce stream kalalet siya Uraj Paul ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong but kekerdan balai da upangkuch data ka Laban Bengalee Boys High Secondary School Shillong, Pinky Kumari jong ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong but Aditya Prasad ka Don Bosco College High Secondary Section Tura. Menta ka kanti ka pass percentage haga science stream kalong prapho san point arpho sao katba haga commerce stream prapho point arpho 3%. Ka Southwest Garo Hills ka ka district ka babon ki ba pass 6% haga science stream Bot ke East Jaintia Hills District da Kandai po San Point Kandai po R%, bad ka paduna ke bapas da ke East Garo Hills District Ndriu po pra point Sao po 3%. Haka commerce stream ka district ka babon ke bapas ka da ka West Khasi Hills 6%, bot ke East Jaintia Hills Kandai po nyaw point San po %, bad ka Southwest Garo Hills ka paduna ke bapas Ndriu po %.
Kuteng Gordon Kupar Nongbri te nga pass na ka science stream na ni te ngayo ka second position te ngayo distinction habara subjects te nga so long comment bhai kata but ni kong e kwa ai ngo show you blame ni kong e bo kam ka jing rap ju but kam ka jing si ju ngam try ngan position e bang point ta but ju ka por nga ai ngo na so comment ba dan ni pa bala ya rap ni nga ba ai min sim nga dan ni kap nga hieng sam janga but juga por ya kan ke institution ya kan ya por kinang ikai kila support ba yang ada basdang hi but juga por iki porlok na dang sidang hi la dan ningkat nga bala irap nga na du basdang hi bala join ni class 11 ti nga dan hi kajing tumu ban penyo ni class 12 ban penyo desbit ban kong but ngaru ningkong hajung class 10 por pass ya metric nga stang india hi ban poi halesam jang top 20 ti nga miss no kumba hajung marks ai tambah henteng kham ai kata bahkan kan stop yang mau ban kiu sya khamat ti ngadang trai stom shu nang tu kumtu bat kini kisnam ba irap kino hinkai ban ndang stom ti na kadang ala ban poi mata sini bat kania determination jangar kala pendong yang bangan drive sya khamat mo bangan kiu sya phang ban tu sya khamat ti juga por kijing irap jeng kino hinkai bat ki support jeng kimo ala ban poi ni bagi dan ningkat bat juga por bagi ya rapid yang ada di badan kami aku banding jam ke engineering te computer science engineering mata te mentang adang sidap kini GE mains mentang adang prepare se kini advance te kutu dari bangalak pas ke advance mentang pursue unit engineering ke IITs preparation jangan ke perlong school kumtu te ngam de yo than hi ban krakot bang hab tuitions te haja ka por hab ndap ki assignments ki work ki bayon school di at least pan try ban bu untuk like kenta at least banyak create ya maths physics but chemistry di tambah kita ni ki por long school bang la ban bu por banyak create tambah jadi kisni por team tu tengah dia ban create untuk por sini kat banyak por di hot ban just kalau important bah tambah try ban maximize ya por jangan mo boleh juga por create kot untuk kumba sepuluh kenta ni ting ka tam 10 kenta but kani winter break shoot trish tam bet krebet tam yo spoken ta te ke ba kwa banong ba kalong kadang kam ba fin plan pa ahead ba the defi plan pa ahead fla poi pa shkmat fla dan pa fla long pa ahead of majority of the students te haji kapor consistency kalong very important kata te la yo snow high but jing trish tam but haji kapor smart work so very important bengin nang kuna bengin te But aku kapal ni dan doubts ni ding kam ban ni clean ni no hikai ban clear ki doubts ni but ni di ban snap it mo ki bagi no hikai ki I advice bara na dang shtam ki na ki hikai jeng ki ba na ki kam tip hai ni mo but ki advice jeng ki ru kalong kai rap ni bangin ki shikmat ti kalong data hi bangin ni nang tri shtam shu but aku kapal ni non consistent.
I'm Edward Polong Lamari from St. Edward's School, Science stream, and I attained the 9th position in MBOS 2024. I mean, I'm really happy. My teachers have always been telling me like I have the potential, so I'm happy that I lived up to that potential. So I studied around, during holidays it was 15 hours, and if it was during school days, I would try to get at the most 6 hours, or least would be 3 hours. I would wake up very early in the morning, at least 3 o'clock. Then during school, I would come early, 30 minutes to study in school. After that, it was coaching, then I'll study there a little bit as well. And difficulties I faced was mobile, number one. Besides that, honestly, nothing else, it's just mobile. Watching YouTube and everything. Then I would say the preparation was simple but difficult. All you need to do is listen to your teachers and study, even if it's a little bit every day. Try to do it every day and pray to God. Probably be doing BSc Honors Maths. That's it. And I did NEET also, but I don't think I'll make it this year, so I'll be attempting it again next year. So listen to your teachers. That's the most important, I would say. Most of the year, class 11, I didn't listen to my teachers. I did very badly. Class 12, I started listening. I did very well. So shout out to all my teachers, Miss Florence, Miss Stefisha, who's here, your brother as well. And also have friends who motivate you. If you have good friends, you will reach high places. So shout out to Sami Kongla, to Arki Bansan, all my friends.
Secured the 4th position in the HSSLC examination in the commerce stream. I am extremely happy as all my hard work, also my teachers, and they like the hard work they were fruitful. So yeah, and I thank God for everything, and my teachers, my parents, and also my friends for motivating me every time. I had a routine, so I followed it. During the school days, I studied for maximum around 3 hours if I get the time, and during the holidays, I'll be studying around 5 to 6 hours. Yeah, but my teachers were there to help me, so they helped me ease the difficulties. It's not that much. I'll be pursuing my BCom, and I'll be doing my CA after this.
Is Rilakor Lamare. I hail from St. Anthony's School, and I got 5th position in the HSSLC examination science stream. I am extremely honored, and it's a great joy for me, my school, and my whole family. I would like to thank God because it is all because of His blessings. Anything that happens in life is always planned by Him, and so we must trust in His plan and His guidance, because through that we can achieve anything in our life. No, I wasn't expecting 5th position. I expected, even if I got top, I expected maybe 10th or 9th position, but not the 5th position. But I'm glad that I got this position. I'm planning to take a year drop for medical exam, NEET. I have appeared for NEET just recently, but it wasn't that good because I haven't prepared for it well. But so maybe I'll take 1 year gap, then prepare for it well, and then attempt. Okay. So during when we have classes, then we don't get much time to study. Maximum you'll get 3 hours, but that also we have to divide between tuitions and all. So maximum 2 maybe. So what is important, and the strategy that I use is that whatever the teaches in school, you go and revise that at home, because that helps. Because when the teacher explained that in school, it is still fresh. So when you study, you understand it better, and then that is how you can learn it and remember it well.
Amiba Chakanti, and I got in the 4th position in this HSSLC examination 2024. I want to go for medical, but then I did this examination like last Sunday, but then I feel like I cannot do it very well because I didn't prepare anything. So I will take 1 year gap. Maybe next year I will get it done. examination. During school days, I used to give 2 to 3 hours like that because like we didn't have much time to study well because like we have to go to school and then after school some of us went to tuitions and all, so we didn't have much time to study. So like that 2 to 3 hours, and during holidays then time to 12 hours like that. I feel like I lost hope. They would always give me hope, and they would always tell me that just give your best, and then God, just leave everything to God, and He will help me. Like that. The message is that we should always have faith in ourselves and in God, so that He can help us, and we should not doubt our capabilities because only God can help us. If we have given our best, then we will be able to do. I know for sure that we will be able to do if we have given our best, but if we don't get also we should be satisfied because like it's all God's plan, so we should all thank God. I just study whatever I can, and then I trust in God also. I just pray that whatever I get I will just be satisfied in that because like it was so difficult during my preparations also. I just couldn't think about that. Like I don't even know how much I'll get because like it's so difficult, you know. But then God helped me, and I also did my best to get it.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Armika Martna, and I secured the third position in the HSSLC Science Stream examination. I don't believe in luck at all. It's either hard work or nothing. So if you choose to, if you have a dream that you want to achieve, and you are not prepared to work hard, you don't have a mindset to work hard, you are fooling yourself. So hard work is key. I wouldn't say like for me, my preference is what I learned from school and tuition. Like it's the hard copy, right? For me, like social media and all, like it's not the most helpful. As That's my opinion, you know. Like I'm entitled to my own opinion, but as for me, I feel like what is taught in school, what is taught in tuition, the one-on-one sessions, right? Those are the most beneficial for me. Right now, my aspiration is to pursue a line in physics. Physics is my favorite subject, and I want to pursue a career in physics. During examinations, as for myself, for my preparation, my phone is always turned off as for the preparation, like that for 2 months or maybe like that. Like it doesn't mean that I'm not online or something. I need to check like my phone sometimes, like so at night before I go to sleep, maybe I turn it on. But if you have a distraction, if you are keeping your phone next to you and you are trying to study, most probably you'll fail to do that. I'm keeping my options open at the moment. Like there are many like physics is such a vast subject. Like it's not just like a one thing. Like physics is only physics or something. There's astrophysics and nuclear physics, and there are so many more like lines that you can pursue in physics. So anything except like it should be related to physics.
It's a mixed emotion. Right now, I'm still shocked that how I got that. Never expected about getting the first rank or anything. Just shocked right now. The entire credit goes to my teacher. She really helped me a lot. Whenever I had doubts, even at 10, 11 o'clock, I called her. She gave me reply. So it's all credit goes to her. Thank you so much, miss, for helping me, not only in physics, in all the department. All the teachers are really amazing here. Mainly it takes dedication and discipline. It doesn't mean that if you study for 10, 15 hours a day, you will get here. It's a misconception. You can just study for a few minutes also, but the concept of the subject, it should go into your head, and that is what makes the difference. And consistency and regular study makes it possible. Next, my plan is to go for BSc Physics, taking major in it. So, hoping for better colleges, and let's see.
Feeling extremely happy, very much grateful to my teachers, my friends, and also to some of the teachers from some other schools who have gone out from their way to help me.
Potential day very feel I feel really happy, really grateful. So at first makam expect when you got marks, but then it's all because of my teachers, my friends, my family supporting me mentally, physically, emotionally. So it's all because of them and my hard work. I use NCERT to develop respect, and then I should solve question paper, and then you should know the pattern lagi Maki prepare ke question berpadan. And then for example, your mental state is really important because if you're nervous and then you're writing your exam, you'll forget everything. So you have to be mentally stable while writing the exam. For exam tu aku boleh contohi baru sini for example, but then macam berdam-dam exam lah dah boleh tanda. I'll go be combat and then side by side I'll do comparative